Hello students, so today we will start the matter in our surrounding. Actually this is the National Science Olympiad book of class 9. So those who have applied for the Olympiad of class 9, they can follow the video. That MCQ question answers it will come, so we will practice some MCQ question answers because we already know about the chapter we already know, only the MCQ question answers that they're coming in Olympiad that we will discuss on today. Okay, so first chapter, it is there, matter in our surrounding. Everyone you will know that it is from chemistry of class 9. So first question is that a diver is able to cut through water in a swimming pool. It illustrates that particles of liquids have space between them. Particles of liquids possesses some kinetic energy. Particles of liquid have very weak attractive force. And option D, both A and C. So see, when water when it is able to cut the water in a swimming pool, illustrate that particles of liquid have space in between them, because we know that particles of the matter, they are having some space. In case of sugar water solution, sugar molecules can be occupied by the space of water molecule. So why? Due to this reason, particles of liquid have space between them. Okay, so next we will see question number 2. Actually we see like that way that we can easily mark it. Question number 2, it is saying that which of the following, this is question number 1, this is 1A. Question number 2, which of the following represents the correct increasing order of densities of a given substance? Cotton less than exhaust from chimney, less than honey, less than iron, less than air. Option B, air less than exhaust from chimney, less than cotton, less than honey, less than iron. Option C, cotton less than air, less than exhaust from chimney, less than iron, less than honey. And option D, air less than cotton, less than exhaust from chimney, less than iron, less than honey. So question number 2, option B should be the correct answer, because air is gaseous state, cotton is in solid state, and air is always having small force of attraction and large space between the gaseous molecules. So option B is the correct answer. Okay, then option C, study the given heating curve of the substance X carefully and select the correct statement. So question number 3, this is the curve it is given. Okay, P2R, R2T, T2, that one Q S it is given over here. So it is written, substance X exists in solid state at point 1, in liquid state at point 3, and in gaseous state at point 5. QR represents heat of fusion, while ST represents latent heat of vaporization. QR matter exists both solid and liquid state, while ST matter exists both liquid in gaseous state, all of this. So question number 3, option D, all of these will be the answer, because all they are giving the information, they all are correct. Okay, so question number 3, option D is the correct answer. Question number 4, petroleum gas is filled in gas cylinder in liquid form. Under what condition the gases can be liquefied? Low temperature, high pressure, high temperature, high pressure, high temperature, low pressure, low temperature, low pressure. So question number 4, low temperature, high pressure, the gas is filled, petroleum gas, in the cylinder in the liquid form, because we know that in case of cooking purpose we use this kind of gas cylinder, and in the gas cylinder the petroleum gas can be liquefied, that is LPG, liquefied petroleum gas, and when the pressure has been released and temperature becomes increasing, then after that the gases will be liquefied. So 4A is the correct answer. Read the given passage and fill the blanks by selecting appropriate option. 1 is the highest solid while 2 is the highest gases. Gases and liquid both have high dash. 1 is the highest in solid. Density is the highest in solid. Okay. So rigidity, density, between density and rigidity is the highest. The density is always higher in case of solid, but rigidity means the closed packing structure. It is mostly common in case of solid. So rigidity. Next, in case of gases, compressibility is the highest, and gases and liquids both can flow, so they have fluidity property. So option D is the correct answer for that. Okay. Now question number 6. Which of the following statements are correct? Temperature changes during the change of the state. Dry ice get converted directly into gaseous state. Normal atmospheric condition, higher boiling point of liquid indicates weaker intermolecular force. Latent heat of vaporization is generally higher than latent heat of fusion for a substance. So question number 6, option number B is the correct, because 2 it is written dry ice get converted into the gaseous state under normal temperature, normal atmospheric condition first of all, and latent heat of vaporization. Latent heat means the amount of heat is required to convert 1 kg of the liquid to gas. It is higher than latent heat of fusion. Fusion means solid to liquid for a substance. So latent heat of fusion for water, it is, we know that melting point of the water it is 0, but boiling point is 100 degrees centigrade. So of course that obviously latent heat of vaporization is generally higher. So option 2 and 4 is the correct answer. Option 2 and 4, option B. So next we will see question number 7. So question number 7, it is given. Read the given statements and mark the correct option. Statement 1. Pieces of dry ice gradually get smaller when left at room temperature. Dry ice undergoes sublimation. Both statements 1 and 2 are true, and statement 2 is the correct explanation of statement 1. Dry ice gradually gets smaller when left at room temperature. Both statements are true, of course, and dry ice undergoes the sublimation. Okay, the second option, both statements 1 and 2 are true, but statement 2 is the not correct explanation of statement 1. Statement 1 is true, statement 2 is false. Both statement 1 and 2 are false. No. Dry ice undergoes sublimation. Sublimation means what? That solid to directly converting to the gaseous state. At room temperature only it can do it. So sublimation it can undergo, and dry ice gradually gets smaller when left at room temperature due to this sublimation. So option A is the correct answer. So 8, option A is the correct answer. Sorry, class 7, option A is the correct answer. Question number 8, match column 1 with column 2. Hot tea poured in saucer gets cooled faster. We feel more cold after a hot water bath than a cold water bath. Water remains cool in earthen pitcher during dry hot day. We feel comfortable under a moving fan in summer. So question number 8, option number we will see. See, question number that column number 1, hot tea when it is taken in saucer gets cool faster because surface area increasing. So that means P to 4 it is going. Okay. Q, we will feel more cold. Of course, evaporation increases, latent heat of vaporization they are taking from our body. Water remains cool in earthen pot during summer. So this is evaporation decreases, humidity, and this one it is that. So that means option C is the correct answer. Option P4Q1 R2 S3. Question number 8, option number C is the correct answer. Okay. So next we will see question number 9. Select the incorrect statement. Rapid formation and breaking of the bubbles in the bulk of a liquid being heated is called evaporation. The spreading out and the mixture of a substance with another substance due to motion of particles is called diffusion. Petrol evaporates faster than water because interparticle forces are stronger in water. Ice cream feels colder than ice cold water because latent heat of fusion. So question number 9, A is 1 or 4 only. Rapid formation, this one is correct, 1 and 4. That one, ice cream feels colder rather than ice cold water because latent heat of fusion. So 1 and 4 will be the correct answer. That means option A. 9 option, sorry, this one 9 option 4 it is not correct. So 9 option B is the correct answer because 1 is rapid formation of breaking, this one only correct only. So 9 option B is the correct answer. Okay, option B. Next, which of the, okay, I am just zooming out the screen. So 9 option B, which of the following correctly represents the given substance in increasing order of kinetic energy of their particles? Question number 10, option A, brick, water, air, honey, honey, water, air, brick, air, water, honey, brick, brick, honey, water, air. So question number 10, option D will be the correct answer. First brick it will come, then honey, it is like jelly type of substance, so liquid and solid both are present. Water fully liquid, air gas. So brick means first it will come because it is in the solid state. Brick, honey, water, air. Okay, understood. Next I am coming to question number 11. An organic compound X has a melting point minus 33 degrees centigrade and boiling point 66 degrees centigrade. Which of the following is true about the substance? At minus 100 degrees centigrade X exists solid, 0 degrees centigrade at X exists in liquid, 90 degrees centigrade X exists in gaseous. All of this. So 11, all of these will be the correct answer because minus 33 it is the melting point. So less than minus 33 it will be existing in the solid state. Greater than 0 degree it will be existing in the liquid state. So it is less than minus 100, greater than 0 degree. So this is the correct answer. Okay, so option D is the correct answer for that. Now question number 12. An experiment is performed as shown in the given figure. Water adds salt, salt water, salt water. The conclusion we can draw from the given experiment: nature of the matter is continuous. Particles of matter is made up of particles. Particles of salt get into the spaces between the particles of water. D, both B and C. So which one is correct answer? Question number 12, option D is the correct answer. Matter is made up of particles, and particles of salt, they are occupying the free space of water molecules. So both are correct. Okay, so question number 12, option D is the correct answer. So next we will see question number 13. Fill in the blanks P, Q, R, S left in the table with appropriate words. Very less solid interparticle spaces, comparatively large P, Q, R and S we have to put. Okay, so question number 13. P is for gas, interparticle space it is very large, so P it will be very large. For solid it is strong, intermolecular force, so very large. After the strong, compressibility it is very small or negligible, and the finally diffusion negligible and slower than gases. S is slower, so option A is the correct answer. Very large, strong, negligible and slower. Okay, got it? So question number 13, option number A is the correct answer. Now we will go to question number 14. So question number 14, a brief information about three substances in the given table. PQR, three substance, melting point it is given 23 degrees centigrade, 110 degrees centigrade, 65 degrees centigrade, boiling point 60, 20, 110. So which of the following is incorrect about this substance? At room temperature, substance P will have fixed volume but no fixed shape. At room temperature, substance Q will have maximum space between the particles. Okay. Question number C. At room temperature, substance R will have strongest interparticle force, and question number D, none of this. So question number 14, option number D is the correct answer, because the melting point it is given, that means solid melts to liquid 23 degree and 10 degree, they will already be existing in the liquid state. So these all three options are not properly matched with these substances, so none of these will be the answer. Now question number 15. Question number 15, choose the correct statements about the plasma states of matter. This is the fourth super energetic and super excited particle. Fourth state of matter we know. The plasma is created on star. Color of plasma glow depends on the temperature of gas only. Okay, so four statements are given. So for plasma, which one will be the correct one? The first one, because in the first one it is written plasma state consists of super energetic and super excited particle. They are formed in ionized gases. The plasma is created on star. No, this kind of thing we are not. Actually, we see that states of matter it is of three types: solid, liquid and gas, and fourth state of matter, that is plasma. So one is correct. Two, the particles of plasma it is ionized gas, it is okay. And 3 also, the plasma is created on star, this is also correct. So 1, 2 and 3 only, this is the correct option, option A. 15, question number, option number A is the correct answer. Okay, so next question number 16. Actually, if I do not zoom out, then you cannot see the question totally. Observe the figure carefully. Ice, water, water vapor, they are just converting from ice to water, water to ice, water to water vapor to water. and ice to water vapor to ice. So for that some statements are given. Process 1, 2 and 3 are endothermic, while 4, 5 and 6 exothermic. Water vapors form during the process, then it will come contact with skin, give out 22.5 into 10 to the power 5 joule per kg more heat than boiling water. Latent heat for process I is number 1 it is 3.34 and into 10 to the power 5 joule per kg. None of this is the answer, because from here we only we can know the name of the process. Ice to water means melting or fusion, water to ice means it is deposition. So like that only we can say. These kind of statements we cannot get from this particular topic. Okay, next, the given apparatus is used to study the diffusion of a number of the gases at the same temperature and pressure. Gas X, vacuum, porous barrier. Okay, so which of the following gases would diffuse into the vacuum of the same speed? Option A NH3 and NH2, option B CO and SO2, option C CO and N2, option D NH3 and N2. So question number C, question number 17, option C is the correct answer, CO and N2. Okay, now question number 18. Question number 18, diagram WXY show the particles of the substance packed. The given graph show the temperature change occurring warming of the substance. In the region of the graph, all the particles will be packed as in Y. So option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. So option C is the correct answer. Because option 3 means the temperature graph, it is there. So it is the graph in which the temperature is changing on warming the substance. So 3 is the correct answer. Understood? Option C is the correct answer for question number 18. Now question number 19 we will see. Observe the diagram and showing the changes in the states of matter carefully. Gas to liquid, liquid to solid, Q are just like that only. Q is vaporization, S is liquefaction, U is solidification. Melting, condensation, solidification, sublimation, liquefaction, solidification, fusion, condensation, sublimation. Option D is the correct answer, because P means what? Liquid to solid to liquid, that means fusion. R is condensation, gas to liquid, condensation, and T is sublimation, that means solid to gas, it is called the sublimation. So option D is the correct answer. Okay, now question number 20, last question for this video. What is the you have to match the column 1 and 2 and select the correct option from the codes. Liquid, gas, plasma, Bose-Einstein, highly compressible, definite volume, super low density, super energetic. So 20C is the correct answer, P2, that means liquid has definite volume. Okay, gas is highly compressible. Okay, plasma super energetic. Okay, and plasma is super low density. So super low density and super energetic, it is there. Okay, so plasma super energetic and Bose-Einstein super low density, that we are already doing. So 2, 1, 4, 3, that is the matching. So option C is the correct answer. So for this chapter, these kind of questions may come in the Olympiad examination. All of you must practice this one. Next we will discuss in our next chapter. Okay, so for today I am closing. Next day we will continue. Thank you.